Not only do I have Carson today, I've got one of my granddaughters. She's napping, and Carson and I are gonna throw together a crock pot meal. This is chicken spaghetti, and if you've never had chicken spaghetti, it is so good. So let's go ahead and get started on this one. Okay. I'm gonna start by using 3 to 4 chicken breasts. I have 4 here. I went ahead and washed them. They are frozen, and we're gonna place them in the bottom of the crock pot. Yep. Let's wash our hands. And what you're gonna need is a can of cream of chicken soup, a can of Rotel tomatoes, or I have the fire roasted salsa style tomatoes, a block of cream cheese, and a pack of taco seasoning mix, and 1 cup of sour cream. We're gonna mix that in this bowl, and I'll be right back. So now that we've got all that in our bowl, and make sure you cut that cream cheese up into blocks, we're going to mix it. Just like that. And we are going to pour this on top of the chicken. It smells so good. Now we're going to set the temp on the crock pot onto low, and we're going to cook this for about 6 hours. And I'll be back and I'll show you what else we're gonna do. So this has been cooking for 6 hours, and now we're gonna tear that chicken apart. Oh, it smells awesome. Now all you need is some spaghetti. And go ahead and boil that. I've got some that was frozen and it's left over, and I'm gonna put this in here. Now I'm gonna add 2 cups of mild cheddar cheese, and you can use the cheese of your choice. This is just what I've got, and I'm gonna put this in here. Now turn your crock pot on to warm, and we're gonna put a lid on this, and that's it. That's how easy it is to make this, and it is so good. Have a good evening.